Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw a unicorn. So let's start. The first step is to make the chest. One leg. Going down. And then another line to complete it. Now the core. The rear legs. Going down at a point and then going up. Now let's move to the body. Now the other leg. Now let's make the head. You can start by the cheek, go to the nose, wide, then going up the forehead, then a curve for the hair, and finish it at a point. Now the ear. You can add some extra lines to get more volume to the hair. Circle for the eye, the small one inside, and you can leave some spaces to give a bit of color. Complete the nose, and finally the horn. The last step is to make the tail. Going from a point, going up, down, then going up and down. Make it wider at the end. Some extra lines. And complete the tips. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!